Whoa, oh, oh.
I'm not sure what we're doing because I was on Aruba for Thanksgiving.
Best
thing in the world.
My mother is an Instagram model.
Making our Christmas memories.
Hi, welcome back to another vlog. Today is Vlogmas. Wait, I'm starting. Begin te lopen. Okay, let me just walk outside. So today is Vlogmas. I don't know which day. I think it's Vlogmas day 9. Is it 9? Yeah, it's Vlogmas day 9. And I had to come do something with my mother. I'm not sure what we're doing, but I have to help her out. Film her for some school thing. I was running late. That's why I didn't start the vlog earlier. And that's why I look crazy like this. And the sun is in the eye. So let's see what the plan is. Let's see what we're doing. So that was super quick. First thing. So we're now at the beach. My mother is an Instagram model. I need to plan out photo shoots. Just like little mini photo shoots like I do. Which is actually kind of insane. Yeah, you're ruining the vlog. Wait till I'm done speaking, please. Okay, let me go take this picture so you can. So now, we're done taking the couple of pictures. I'm so tired. It's only like 1 o'clock in the afternoon. So I think I'm gonna take a nap because later we have a Thanksgiving like dinner / beach party because I was on Aruba for Thanksgiving. So they decided to wait and celebrate it today. So I'm gonna be really tired if I don't nap. So I'm gonna go home, nap, get ready, and then go to the party. So I actually decided to get these things in the store because you can't actually find these in Holland, and I just need to take advantage of that now. So I got this juice. It's mango juice. It's the best thing if you guys live on Aruba, or if you can find this, you know, like wherever you live. Try it out with a lot of crunched ice and then just a little bit of juice. It kind of makes like a smoothie kind of thing, and it's the best thing in the world. And I love to drink it all the time, so I really had to get it, and I'm not sharing it with anybody because there's not enough in it. And then I also got some Fruit Loops because I'm obsessed with Fruit Loops, and you can't find them in Holland either. I mean, you can if you want to go to like a toko or something like that, and then you'll just pay a little bit more than the original price, but they're really inexpensive here, and I just really wanted some Fruit Loops, so I got Fruit Loops. This is the one without marshmallows though. I usually like to get the one with marshmallows because it's just so much better, but yeah, I don't know, I just got this one instead because it's all they had. And then Pringles is life. I love me some good Pringles. And yes, my nail just broke, so I'm gonna have to fix that because it's ridiculous. It looks ridiculous. Wait, did I say Pringles? I meant pretzels. Wow, I mean pretzels. So I have this plan right here, right? And I'm thinking about putting the Christmas tree over here like we did the last time. But I don't know how my mother is going to feel about it because I kind of want to put the fireplace. Wait, let me show you guys the fireplace. So this fireplace that we have, right? I kind of want to put it right next to the Christmas tree. And I don't know if she's going to like that, but I feel like doing it anyway. So I think I might just do it anyway. So then I was thinking to put the Christmas tree over there, and then we can just put a mirror right here in between, and then the fireplace. But I don't know. I don't know if that's going to look cute. So let's quickly go to... So this is the... So my mother swears that we have a Christmas tree, and if we do, it should be somewhere up here. But I actually cannot get up here at all. So it should be somewhere up there. I'm not even sure. Look at how beautiful the weather is today though. I mean, there's a really huge gray cloud. But for the rest, it is absolutely stunning. So I'm now on my way. I took a super long nap, you guys. It was like the best thing in the world. I woke up like a zombie. That's when you know like the nap was good, right? So I'm on my way to go pick up my boyfriend, and then we're going to the party the beach party-ish kind of thing that my family organized. It was supposed to be at someone's house, and today I found out that it's at the beach. I'm not really dressed in like beach wear or like really going for the beach because it was still like last minute, you know, and I didn't really have the time to go look for my bikinis because I have no idea where those are. So I don't know, it's gonna be interesting to see what I'm gonna do at the beach without a bikini or something to like swim in. So.
Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.